Set a perimeter. Protect the prisoner at all costs.
I want all private planes grounded between here and Mexico and put Border Patrol and TSA on high alert ASAP.
GPS from the drone that Nolan Iwata found on the bridge. Now we've connected it to an international maritime company.
One of which is a decommissioned military transport ship that is departing imminently from the port of San Diego. Now, we believe that Heath Everett is on that boat.
Go, get down.
On the ground, now.
Don't move.
Get on the ground!
Where's Everett? Found the nest, but it's empty.
Sir.
I got eyes on the prize. He's got about 7 unfriendlies with him.
Copy. Moving to you.
Hands! Show me your hands! Down. You two now. Everyone face down on the ground. Do it now. Except you, Everett. You're coming with us.
Like hell I am.
Don't do it!
Pilot door should be right above our boats. You move, you die.
We have the prize, making our way out the starboard pilot door.
Clear. Copy. Evac now.
Go.
You sure?
I got it.
Thank God.